The Kickstart Scheme is a new policy designed to kickstart the careers of thousands of young people who could otherwise be left behind due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It is aimed at spreading skills and opportunity among 16 to 24-year-olds who are at risk of long-term unemployment by offering a 6-month placement fully funded by the government.
The government will fully fund every Kickstarter's job position, paying 100% of the national minimum wage for up to 25 hours per week, allowing employers to pay additional wages and give additional hours if they want to. But for up to 25 hours per week, the government funding will cover national insurance and pension contributions, support and training, educational courses, and even uniform costs for anyone on the placement.
So, a little bit more about Leftover Currency as a company itself. Leftover Currency is a currency exchange bureau that specialises in exchanging old banknotes and foreign old coins, that of which other currency exchange bureaus will not accept.
Hi, my name is Max Austin. I am 19 years old. I'm a very passionate football fan and ice hockey fan, and I'm part of the Kickstarter scheme. The Kickstarter scheme for me has been great. I've always wanted to do YouTube since I was a kid, having friends and family doing YouTube as well. Being able to work for a YouTube channel was a dream. I'd never used any video editing softwares before, but Andy and Belle got me going within weeks. And it's nice that I can incorporate my existing skills into something I've got a growing passion for and can feel my skill set developing.
I'm Usman, I'm the Kickstart Scheme representative for Leftover Currency Limited. Right, so let's go meet the man that made it all happen.
Hi, I'm Mario. I'm the founding director of Leftover Currency Limited.
Mario, can you tell us why you were interested in the Kickstart Scheme?
So we ourselves, we've made use of all the incentives at the beginning of the COVID. Travel money was badly affected, so we had to make use of all the incentives, all the grants and the bounce back loan. And then when things started to improve a little after the first lockdown, we thought, this is the good time to give back to the community. And it fitted in our plan to future-proof the business. So to do that, we were in need of new content, and it had to be video content. Because that's really my son. He's 13 years old. He's not using Google as his search engine. He's using YouTube, and we weren't there yet. We didn't have any content on YouTube. We were thinking all of those questions our customers have. Many of them are returning questions. We could make a ton of videos about them, just answering those questions. And all of the banknotes and coins we have here in the building, there's a ton of video content you can make for that. We just didn't have the people or the skills. So, and thought this was really, we could turn it into a win-win.
And why do you think this type of work would be more beneficial to our Kickstart schemers?
I think from what I've seen, how they made those videos, they're doing great work. You see they're having fun, and it's the best job. We're very happy to give them their dream job, and also getting the results ourselves from these great videos. And it's a great skill to have, producing video, especially here in the area where you've got Pinewood Studios, you've got Warner Bros. One of our Kickstarters, she got a job offer and she's accepted it recently for Warner Bros. So that's what the whole Kickstart scheme is about. It's about giving people work experience, which leads to a permanent job, and it's working.
I think the Kickstarter scheme has given me a kickstarter to my career. Plus the dynamics between us is also great, as we're all in the same situation and we can all bounce off each other very well.
So, if you're between the ages of 16 to 24, on universal income, you're struggling to find work and you're worried about the future, talk to your job coach and mention Leftover Currency.
You could be the next person to join our Leftover Currency YouTube team and help us make our future content.